is a movie that takes a very classical setup, a mistress and her lover and his son, somehow the triangle drama, and starts off in a very traditional way and then takes a turn. And it has mainly actually the focus turns from the father to the son, but in a different way that you might expect. It's a movie about trying to figure out love, and sometimes you have to leave the one you love to actually learn to love. So I'm interested in gender and sexuality and the complexity of being a human being in general.
Jeg troede ikke, du var interesseret i at snakke om fremtiden. Tag med mig til Frankrig. Jeg skal derned et par uger. Jeg har et par møder dernede, men for det meste så kan vi to være sammen. Bare dig og mig.
I wanted to make sort of a modern version of that, of the mistress. Normally in film history and literature, she always ends up dying, and she's also always the antagonist in movies and in literature. So I wanted to make her my lead role. Marlene Krepin, who plays the lead role, is a superstar. She's really she has a talent that is quite extraordinary. She took the character and made her more serious, I think, than when I started out. She was more slutty and more wild, and Marlene gave her some depth in another level that I actually quite like. I think it's wonderful, absolutely wonderful, that there's a festival here in Valencia that is dedicated to medium-length films. That is about time and beautiful.